Hey, spread out, form a perimeter. Do not bunch up. Put the medics toward the back. Do not let them get hurt first. I want DMR and support up front. Rifleman, hang back toward the medic. Do not want him getting hit first. If you have good cover, try and hold it. We're meant to repel an attack, not to attack them. Hit!
This is my admin hat. I got timers.
Hit! Back in, medic got me. Right at that tree. See where I'm shooting a line at?
Alex, I started Green's timer back there on the tree.
Okay, thank you. Hit! Everybody back to the sawmill now! Now, back to the sawmill. Gun hit. Everybody on the sawmill now. I'm the last one holding down the fort.
We're trying to move up there.
Hit! Yeah. Their timer's not going anymore, is it?
No, we stopped.
Good, good.
That's the must be our other respawn right down there.
I want one guy up near those timers. One guy stay here. Another kind of hang out in the middle somewhere. Just dig in, find good cover. Yeah.
Bear! Go up to Sawmill. Alright, well I'm going to take these 4 guys out. We aren't going to have comms, but we'll make it work.
Tell you what,
we're gonna go get it.
Whenever this timer's done.
It'll be up in like a minute.
Yeah, so when it is, I'm going to fall with you. I'm going to run your radio up.
Okay, that'll work. Hey, what's the timer?
Hey, what's our time? You know what, it was 10 minutes. Let's just go ahead and roll. All right, as far as prisoner goes, whoever the first person we kill, they're our prisoner. Let's just go